How you doing? Mike, Innovative Garage Door. I'm going to show you the Wayne Dalton 9600 Sonoma sandstone. These are 3 8x8s or 9x8s. We'll just show you these doors real quick. They're good looking doors, carriage doors. They go good with the garage. Got the decorative handles. They got pinch proof on them, so you can't pinch your fingers right in there. Okay, see? That's good. They got nylon wheels. It is a little squeaky and moaning, but we're going to service these doors. Nylon wheels, insulated, steel back. Definitely non-insulated glass. These are 1 3/8 thick. There's the thickness right there of the door, 1 3/8 thick. They go up pretty nice and down. Like I said, they're a little squeaky. These happen to be on the Torque Master spring. I don't know if you can see too good in here with this light. But Torque Master springs. Windows, 1 3/8. Sandwich doors. There we go. Torque Master spring. Springs inside there. So when that goes bye-bye, we'll convert that over to a regular torsion. These are complemented by 3 belt drives by LiftMaster. Okay? There we go. Innovative door. 630-673-0007. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Come visit us on the web, www.innovativegaragedoor.com, or our showroom, 650 Ogden and Downers. I was panning on these 2 doors. They look really good. Thanks for watching our Wayne Dalton video. 9600 Sonoma.